struggle. In a struggle for our member. Solidarity.
The council in session commended His Excellency Sir Onyefuru, GSSRS KSC, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, for the constitution and inauguration of the administrative caretaker of the 23 local government councils. The councils of both NLC and TUCAsk considers the action of the governor as timely and appropriate to avoid vacuum in the administrative structure of the third tier of government for the overall benefits of Rivers people. The council session commended the men and officers of the Nigerian Police Force on its proactiveness in maintaining law and order in the heat of recent political upheavals. However, the council in session frowned seriously that the 3 of the 23 local government council secretariats by men and officers of the Nigerian Police Force for the reason of maintaining law and order, thereby locking out our members for performing their statutory duties. While the council of both NLC and TUCAsk acknowledges statutory responsibility of Nigerian police in maintaining law and orders, it is also important for such functions to be exercised in a manner that workers in this instance are not deprived to access their duty posts. In view of the actions of Nigerian policemen, the quantum of man-hour loss since the operation of the security agencies across the 23 local government council is irrecoverable, and attendant consequences of putting people off their job with no alternative means of engagement in the society are far too weighty to contend with in the instant case. So both NLC and TUCAsk call on the Inspector of Police to immediately direct the Commissioner of Police Rivers State Command to allow legitimate workers of the various local government councils to access their offices. Unanimously uphold the ultimatum issued by the Nigerian Union of Local Government Employees (NOGE) for the Nigerian Police to vacate and allow unfettered access of local government workers to access their offices without further delay. The council in session unanimously condemned in strong terms the purported call for a state of emergency in Rivers State by some supposed political leaders of the state, which in all ramifications do not wish Rivers State people well. While we appreciate people's rights to self-opinion, it is also important not to allow our self-centeredness override our sense of reasoning. In conclusion, the entire workers of Rivers State are hereby put on red alert of possible actions to protect and defend the interests of Rivers State workers.
We challenge all our detractors. Let them come out and give us one state in Nigeria that have even agreed that they will do 80,000 naira minimum wage. What federal government is doing 62. Lagos is doing 70. Some states are struggling with 30. Rivers State is the only state where local government workers are taking minimum wage of current 30,000 naira. Other states or local government are still taking 18,000. So we understand all this. Rivers State is the only state in Nigeria today where the governor is currently constructing 20,000 housing units for workers. That project is ongoing. We challenge all the other states. Show us what your governor is doing. So why will people continue to demarcate Rivers State?